if you guys want to know how to make this really cute girly picture using Dollar Tree products, $2 DIY to spice up your kids' room, your vanity area, anything to that nature. Keep on watching, you guys. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a fun little DIY, and I was at the Dollar Tree the other day, as you guys will see in a haul coming up, and I saw something that I wanted to do a little cute DIY because you guys know that I love cats. And as soon as I saw this really pretty tiger, I knew I wanted to do something with this, and I decided to make a little photo out of the actual picture right here and actually turn it into a little photo so I can hang it next to my filming area, just so it's something that gives me a little bit of inspiration. And the other thing that I really loved is wild beauty, because I feel like that is two things that represent me as a person. So yeah, so the things that you will need for this DIY is, of course, a sticker, decor of whatever you want to use. You can use anything. Dollar Tree has a lot of them. Hobby Lobby has a lot of them. Anything that you want to use. I just grabbed a 11 by 14 photo frame because I wanted to make sure that I got this whole picture in there, because it looks quite big. And the frame is a little ugly, so we're going to go in with some chalkboard paint, and this is just by Martha Stewart, and obviously a brush to paint the thing, and then my background color, which is gray, which I think would go really pretty with this tiger. So hang tight. If you want to see how this turns out, then keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing is just obviously going to get into this bad boy. Alright, so my next step is obviously I'm just going to go in with my paint, and you can paint the back of it. I'm not going to, just for the simple fact, because you're going to hang it on your wall, nobody's really going to see it, so I don't really see the point in it. So that is my next step. Alright, so as you guys could tell, that brush was extremely hard, so I'm going to have to throw that one away. So I'm just going in with this. I tested it. It's still pretty soft for the most part, except for right here, but I'm not worried about that. So let's get to painting. Obviously, next step, let it dry for however long it says, which I'm probably going to let it dry overnight just to make sure it completely dries, and that's what it also says on my bottle. So that will be it for right now, and I'll see you guys in my next clip. So the next step, all I did was take the picture thing that it came with, and all I did was I laid down my construction paper on here, and I only needed 1.5 sheets of these. I still have to cut some off just so it matches and it doesn't bend or anything. Don't worry about this line right here because we're going to be covering up with the tiger's face and all that stuff, and all I used was Elmer's glue, if you guys are wondering, just to get it to stick on here. So now all I'm going to do is fix the edging so we don't have any problems putting it back in the frame. Alright, and then while that is drying, we're gonna go ahead and get this process set up so that way tomorrow when the frame is completely dried, we can go ahead and get it all going. So as you can tell, we do have some pieces left over, which is a-okay. I might add this to my bathroom. I don't know what I'm going to do with these, or I could just use them for an extra craft. So I will just hang on to those. And this right here, you guys, is what we are looking at right now. And this is what my picture is going to look like. Up here, I do have to cut some things off. But this is what we're looking at so far. What I might do is take a gray marker or something, and just so you can't really see anything. So yeah, this is what we're looking at right now, and we will be back tomorrow when that is completely dried. Are done. The frame is completely dried at this point. All I had to do was trim off this edge like I told you. And I'm telling you guys, this DIY was only $2. The cat sticker and the frame. Extremely simple, extremely cute. You can add to your vanity, add to your kids' room, anything that you want to do. Just be creative and do whatever makes you happy. So, we're going to put this bad boy back together. Completely done with this. I think this turned out extremely cute. If you saw this somewhere and you had to pay for this, this would cost you so much more, I think. And I only made this for $2, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a fun little simple DIY that I wanted to share with you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big, huge thumbs up. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay true to yourself. You're beautiful.